Hi, it's me again. Just removing some stones and digging the rest of the dirt out. So I think maybe 1 or 2 days this part is done and I can start compacting everything and put down the insulation. So let's get this done and do something a little more fun than digging fucking dirt up. So yeah, let's go. So I just started compacting all the sand over here. So this is what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of days. Just start compacting everything and get all the sand to the right level before I put the insulation. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna spray some water to help compact the sand and I'll continue this. So hope this is as fun for you as it is for me. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I finally have some time to continue this project out here. So I've just leveled out the first part of the sand, and now I'm gonna continue with the next part, and then I can start putting out all the insulation. So there's gonna be 2 layers of insulation. So there's a total of 30 centimeters. So when I have laid out all the insulation, I can start putting down some pipes for floor heating. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the next couple of days. But right now I'm gonna continue level out the sand, and so let's continue with that. Okay, so we just got some more of the floor leveled out. So now we can start putting down some of the insulation. But before I can take the rest of this part, I still need to finish this part, fill with concrete. I need to dig a trench all the way over here to the wall, because I need to put down some pipe for heating. Because on the other side of this wall I'm gonna make a small room where I can put in my pellet heater. Yeah, put in my pellet heater. There's a little more digging to do, but I'll just show you the pipe. So this pipe, this is the one I need to put in for the heating. So I just roll it out, so it's easier to work with. Yeah, but anyways, I need this inside. So this black pipe is running from the wall over there, coming in here through the wall, and it's gonna come up of this hole and run under the floor all the way in here. And then I'm gonna hook it up to this water heater. But I'm gonna move everything around in here, and my pellet stove I'm gonna move out on the side of the workshop. So that's the plan right now. So yeah, so for now I'm just gonna dig some more, and in the next video we're gonna see how this is turning out. So thank you for watching, see you.